Hello friends, in this video I will show you a top secret way to earn money online. Now you'll never find this strategy to earn money online anywhere in the internet because I have used this strategy in the past and I don't know very much people know even know it. So this is a platform that is called Fiverr. It is a freelance platform where people buy and sell various services. So as you can see here, people are offering services for $10, $5, $100, $135, $125, and similarly here you can see. So you can sell any kind of services that is online, like logo design. Here you can see various services in digital marketing. You can sell this kind of services if you have any skill. Here you can see other services, and similarly there are various services. Now what happens is, this is a buyer dashboard and this is a seller dashboard. Now what actually happens, you need to make an account. Here I have given in the link and the description of this video, and once you made the account, and then you need to create a gig, and you if you click here more and you click on buy request, then there will be various requests that you can see here. I don't have a gig from this account, that's why it's nothing here. So if you make an seller account on logo design, then you will receive various offers related to logo design, and you can click on apply for the offer and you will be able to apply. And if the buyer approve you or hire you, then you can deliver him that work and earn from this platform. Firstly, I want to show you, I have recently made an order. So this is on progress. So some order I have cancelled here, some are completed, some cancelled. So a recent order that is on progress is of $22. So the buyer sorry, the seller price was $20 and $2 is Fiverr's fee, and that I have paid total $22. Now once this seller delivers me the work, I think I have ordered it on April 17 and delivery date is in April 19, and today is April 19, and I'll get this order today delivered, and if I am satisfied I can approve that order and she will get paid $20. So she will literally earn $20 by doing my work. So I have hired this person for writing a website content. So you can make a gig. Firstly you make an account of a buyer, and then you can click on become a seller, and you can make an account, a selling account, and you can click on gig. You can click on gig, and then here you will see become a seller. You can click here, and set up what skills you have. You can see any skills from here and see any gig as a reference and make same kind of gig here. And then what you can do is, you can, once you make gig, your gig will be approved. You can make 2 3 how many gig you want, and once your gig is approved, then now you can offer service. So you can click on more and click on buy request, and you will see various requests here which you can apply, and now you can start applying to those requests. So some will be of $20, some will be of $50, and so on. So even if you don't know about the service, completely don't know about the service you are providing, then once you receive an order, if you know, you can write, you can do it by yourself also, but that will not be scalable. So here comes a top secret strategy. So whenever you receive an order, whenever a buyer approves you as hires you to deliver his work, then you can search for similar services here for cheap price, and whatever information he or she have provided you, you can order it through your buyer account from a little bit cheap price, and then instruct him strictly that you need quality work even in cheap price. So let's say someone hired you to write an SEO article and you know something about writing or you don't know about something writing, you can learn about that in coming days. You need to upgrade yourself, so you click on here and hire this as someone offer you an article for $20. Now you can hire this person to write that same article for $5, and once he delivers that, you immediately deliver that to the buyer and see if buyer is satisfied. You will have 3 days to approve this order that you have made here from here. And if the buyer is not satisfied with order, then ask him what he need to modify. Then once he tell you this thing you need to modify, then you again go to here and you'll have 3 day window to tell that buyer to modify these things. And once this person modifies, and again you deliver it to the buyer, and once that buyer approve that request, then you will get paid, and you can and you can approve this order also, and she gets the payment that is from you. So in this format, if you started to work, then you can earn money online in this way. So what I basically do, I hire various article writer. So sometime what happens, I need to hire a lot uh, in a lot of high price. For example, I need an article and that article would cost me anywhere from 300 to $500, and that is a huge amount that mm, I cannot pay it with my fund. So what I do is I use this kind of strategy and hire buyers for others project in double price, triple price, and I pay a buyer $20 and I sell that article in $60, $80, and that way I increase my fund, and then I invest that money to write my 300 to $500 sellers. So those sellers are actually pro and verified. So these sellers write high quality articles, and these are pro and verified. So this whenever I need to buy this kind of services, then I utilize that strategy to increase my fund and then buy with this seller. Now one thing is essential here. So let's say you are in writing field or graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, whatever services you are, you need to start learning about that also, because once you receive the deliver from this person, then you can enhance that article and submit it to the one who buys from you. So in that way your credibility will be more higher, and you can even get five orders. You can apply for various orders, and if you receive 5 orders, then you can hire 5 different people to write article for you, and then you can deliver that article to the buyer that who have hired you. And if they are not satisfied, ask them what modification they want, and they will give you a modification specification. Then you give it to the respective sellers from here, and then again deliver it to here, and you will be able to make good amount of money without doing anything. Or let's say throughout time your rating will be higher and your credibility would also be higher. But try to be honest and try to upgrade the things that people are ordering from you. Try to add value to them, and you can make a good business by following this top secret strategy to earn money online. So I have given a link in the description. I have also provided a coupon that can help you to get a 10% discount on this freelance platform whenever you are buying some gigs for the first time. And please do like this video, and if you have any question, then don't forget to comment in the comment section. and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on making money online. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.